We actually traveled at 6 a.m. from Bangalore, 6:30. Went to Mandaragiri, climbed on top of the hill. Beautiful, beautiful serenity. We were all very hungry. Thought we should drop by Pavitra Idli Hotel. Certainly, I'm not disappointed. Okay guys, I've reached the very, very famous and most sought after restaurant on Tumkur Road. It comes in Kyatsandra, 6 kilometers from Mandaragiri Hills. It's called as Pavitra Idli Hotel. You have to try their tatte idli vada combination. I've also got a masala dosa and a mini coffee. Let's go check it out and see how it is. Okay, I'm trying my idli here, tatte idli. Oh my god. I'm gonna first try it with sambar. That's what the locals suggest. I was just too hungry. The chutney combination is even better. The idli is very, very thick but extremely soft at the same time. They have given a healthy amount of butter, a dollop of butter. Oh, this is what I call as a scrumptious meal. Let me try out the most famous vada. I don't think vada has any haters across the globe. This is too good. Mini masala dosa. They have given gatti chutney for this, but the best part is I have to show you this. You can see this. We have unlimited supply of sambar and chutney. What more can you ask for, right? It's called as Pavitra Idli Hotel, but trust me, this is one of the crispiest dosas I've ever had. I'm not hyping it up. This is all facts. This is one of the crispiest dosa I've ever had. Not even joking. I can't even control myself. I have to dig in. I wish you could hear the crunch. There is a very crisp dosa with a lot of crunch, and it's also like a little doughy. So it's kind of perfect combination. With the palya and the gatti chutney, it forms the best combination in your mouth. It's a burst of flavors I can't explain. Especially on an early morning, on a tired day, you've climbed the hill, you're hungry, you have built quite an appetite. You have to try the idli and the mini masala dosa for sure. Okay, we've done with a very, very fluffy, thick idli with a dollop of butter, chutney, sambar. Then we went for a mini masala dosa. I was so full by the end of it. Now it's time to test their famous filter coffee. Yeah, I give this a nod. It's good. A classic coffee after a good breakfast, healthy breakfast in the morning, helps you digest it. It settles down in your stomach a little better is what I believe. The coffee is great. Probably not the best, I would say, but definitely very good. I didn't think in the vicinity of Tumkur I will find actually such satisfying, tasty meal. So here's cheers to Pavitra Idli Hotel. Please come check it out. This is where all the magic happens. These are the containers which are used to cook the delicious idlis. Sir, ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಇದು 170, ಇದು 150, 120, 150. ಮೂವತ್ತಾರು ವರ್ಷ. ಓ, ಅವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಡ್ಲಿನ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಡ್ಲಿ ದೋಸೆ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ದೋಸೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6:30 ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡ ದೋಸೆ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡ್ಲಿ?
ಕುಸುಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಉದ್ದಿನಬೇಳೆ, ಸೋಡಾ, ಉಪ್ಪು.
ಕುಸುಬ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉದ್ದಿನಬೇಳೆ, ಸೋಡಾ,
ಉಪ್ಪು, ಸೋಡಾ.
ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನು ಎಷ್ಟು? ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಳತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
1 kg 300 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಉದ್ದಿನಬೇಳೆ.
ಈ ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಲು 13,000ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಲು. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಸಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜನರು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು, ತಲಾಂತರದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಜೀನು, ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಲಿನೆಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಚನ್ನು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಡೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ತಯಾರಾಗ್ಬೋದು? 1,500, 2,000. ಇದು ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಜಾಗನಾ? ಓ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓ, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡಿಲಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಪಲ್ಯ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ. This is the process of making their most famous dosa that I just explained to you about, which was very crispy, soft at the same time, and very, very scrumptious and tasty. Olagade batch idli nadita ide. They are also cooking the idlis inside, which are really fluffy, which they give with a healthy amount of butter. And they said one container cooks about 170, one cooks 150, and one cooks 120. And they've so far made about 1,500 idlis in a day. That which usually happens on a weekend, usually on a Saturday or a Sunday, where there's a lot of crowd. This truly is remarkable. For people questioning the hygiene of the hotel, you can see everything is actually spick and span. For a hotel which is running for more than 3 decades, this level of cleanliness is hard to manage. Oh, okay, I thought there is not a red chutney, but it does go just a little bit, but there is red chutney. Okay, this is where all the vada is made. There's literally different sectors or cabinets just to make each item here. This is the famous sambar which goes in. Illi rubbadu. So they're saying that to wash the rice, they use a specifically one place where it's been done religiously throughout the years. And this is the place where everything is grinded. Trust me guys, this is a really, really neat and nice kitchen.
ಸರ್